Databricks. You have probably heard the name, maybe in job posting or from the colleagues. But what exactly is it? And why is everyone is talking about it? In this video, I'm going to answer the 10 of the most commonly asked question about the Databricks in the simple terms, no jargon. By the end, you will know whether the Databricks should be on your learning list, especially if you are a data analyst. Number one, what is Databricks? Databricks is a cloud-based platform that helps companies to handle massive amount of data, whether it's a structure like Excel tables, semi-structured like JSON, or unstructured like text and images. Think of it as one-stop shop where you can store, clean, analyze, and even run AI model on data, all at the same place. That is why it matters. It takes away the headache of jumping between the multiple tools. Number two, why is Databricks called a lakehouse platform? Traditionally, data lived in two separate worlds. Data lakes, where the raw, messy data sits, and the data warehouse, where the clean, structured data is stored for reporting. Databricks combine both in a single platform, hence the name Lakehouse. You get the flexibility of data lake plus the reliability of the warehouse without duplicating your data. Number three, what is Databricks is used for? Databricks can be used for almost everything in the data world, like data analysis and reporting with the SQL and dashboards. It can be used for data engineering, moving and transforming data. It can be used for machine learning and AI, building models for fraud detection and recommendation, or even forecasting. It can be used for real-time streaming, like monitoring live financial transactions, and even the dashboards for the business users. So whether you are an analyst, engineer, or scientist, Databricks has a role for you. Number four, who uses Databricks? More than 9,000 organizations worldwide, including over 40% of the Fortune 500 rely on Databricks. Banks like HSBC, Saxo Banks, healthcare companies working on drug discovery, retailer like Nike for personalization, and even manufacturer using IoT data for predicting maintenance. Basically, if the data is important to your business, chances are they are using Databricks. Number five, what makes Databricks different from the traditional data warehouse? A traditional warehouse is a great for structured data and reporting, but it struggles with scale, unstructured data, or machine learning. Databricks is open, scalable, and support everything from SQL dashboards to advanced AI. The key difference in warehouse, you can only look at a clean structured data. In Databricks, you can analyze raw data logs, images, or massive streaming data without moving it around. Number six, is Databricks only for the data scientists and engineers? Not at all. Databricks SQL is designed especially for the data analyst. You can run SQL queries, build dashboards, even set alerts, all without writing a single line of Python or Scala. Engineers and scientists also use it for their tasks, but analysts play a central role. Business users can still consume dashboards without touching the backend. Number seven, what is Databricks SQL? Databricks SQL is like your familiar data warehouse, but on steroids. It is a serverless environment, meaning you don't worry about the hardware or setup. You just write SQL queries, build visualization, and share dashboards. You can set up alerts like getting notified when the sales drop below a certain point or when the suspicious transaction happens in banking. Number eight, do I need to know coding to use Databricks? Not really. If you know SQL, you can already do a lot inside the Databricks. You will be able to query data, build reports, and create dashboards. If you want to go deeper into machine learning or automation, knowing Python or Scala will help, but SQL alone is enough to get started even past the data analyst certification. Number nine, what industry use the Databricks the most? Databricks is industry agnostic. It's everywhere. In banking, it's used for anti-money laundering, for fraud detection. In healthcare, for analyzing clinical trials and drug discovery. In the retailer, for the customer personalization and supply chain insights. In manufacturing, for predictive maintenance using IoT sensor data. If industry generates big data, is likely being used. Number 10, why should a data analyst learn Databricks? Because the industry is moving fast. Traditional tools like Excel or even the small-scale databases can't even keep up with the size and the speed of the data today. Databricks future-proofs your career. You will be able to handle the big data, work alongside engineers and data scientists, and provide the insight in the real time. For me, coming from banking, this was a game changer. It made me realize that I can play a bigger role in the preventing fraud or detecting the risk by using the same tools as the big bank. So there you have it, 10 commonly asked questions about the Databricks. My goal here was not to overwhelm you with the technical details, but to give you the clarity on why Databricks is worth your time as a data professional. In my upcoming video, I will share how I prepared for Databricks Certified Data Analyst Associate exam and dive deeper into the real world use cases, especially in banking. Thank you.